Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. Firstly, remove your earbuds from the charging case, and after that we need to turn off them. So at the back side, right here we have SKULLCANDY logo, and this one is touch areas. Press and hold both your earbuds for at least 4 seconds until you will see the red LED light. And firstly we need to turn off them, so meaning this LED light meaning that you are turn off your earbuds. Now we need to press and hold again at this touch areas for at least 10 seconds until you will see that the LED light just turn off. So we're holding, firstly it entered to pairing mode, blinking, it's okay, just keep holding these controls. And now they turn off. After that you put your earbuds to the charging case. Here we go, we see red LED light, excellent. And then we remove it from the charging case. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So now we need to reconnect them with the phone. And as you can see now it flashing blue and red, so in the pairing mode. So go to the settings on your phone, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device button at the top, if you have, because not all Android phone have it. And then if you have iOS, we need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And now we see them as the device list. Tap on them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!